An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Hello and welcome to the Bullier Capital's course on complete course on trading. Now that you've already invested in this course, I'm sure you will learn a lot because this course is specifically for those who are interested in stock market. As the name says, complete course on trading, you will learn about a lot of things. Now, as you can see on your screen, we'll look into the agenda in detail. Now, I want to make sure that you understand how this agenda works. In this first level that you can see, level 1, level 2 and level 3 are based on tier 1. I have just named it tier 1. Why? I will explain. And the second, that's advanced strategies 1, advanced strategies 2 and the bonus pack is under tier 2. Let's take a look into each of these sections or modules and understand what you will be learning. In the first level, you will learn about the trading view for pro traders. Now, this chapter or this concept is specifically for those who want to know how to use trading view and how professional traders use trading view. We will also look at market structure. We will learn about trends, how the market goes, how to identify different types of trends, and a few other things. Moving ahead, we will learn about 9 advanced candles. Now, I want you all to pay attention to all those concepts and chapters that are marked bold and in yellow. This concept will specify what is important. Now, 9 advanced candles will help you how to book your profits and will take you, and you will know like when exactly those candles are showing the particular trend. Now, be it uptrend or downtrend, you will know what and how the market will be moving forward. We will look into support and resistance marking secrets, and these secrets are very important. You might have gone through plethora of courses and videos which help you explain about all these things, but we are a little different, and that's what you will be able to see here. Now let's move on to the next level. I want to tell you all that as and when you start moving from one level to other, you will start noting all these intricate details and complexity, and we will make sure that we make it simple for all of you. So level 2, the first chapter states hidden secrets to identifying support and resistances. Now we will know how exactly to find where your support is, where the resistance is, and to know if this support and this resistance makes sense, because many of you randomly just connects the low and the high and calls it support and resistance. That's not it, right? We will look at top 10 chart patterns. Now these chart patterns have a very meaningful there's a lot of meaning behind it. I'll tell you why. Because your next movement in the market, if you want to book profit or loss, depends on chart patterns or the candlestick patterns. Once you have understood about these advanced candles, you will be navigated to know about how the candlesticks and the chart patterns look like. We will see what impulsive and corrective moves are. We will see what exactly you mean by impulsive move and a corrective move, and when exactly will that occur in your market. We will see hidden secrets to drawing trend line, and as I suggested before about your support and resistances, there's a lot to learn about drawing trend line. It's not simply connecting two dots with your low and the high and then calling it a trend line. There's a lot, and we will help you by giving you a few secrets to them. Last chapter of level 2 explains about gap trading method. We will see what exactly gap trading method is. You would find a plethora of videos on gap trading method, but here we will discuss a few of those things. Next, moving on to level 3. In level 3, we will see how to select your stocks. There are many people who know, okay, I have to trade, I need to invest, be it positional or intraday, but what happens when you don't know which stock to select? Here we will be discussing how to select your stocks. Next is a very important theory that I want you all to know about, is the Dow theory. We will tell what this theory exactly it is, and we will tell you about it when we move ahead. Next is a very different calculator. It's called the secret intraday and swing trading calculator. Now this calculator is different on its own because it is for those people who want to do swing trading and also intraday. We give out secrets to know how to calculate, and it will help you in trading. Next comes channel trading strategy with advanced price action, and lastly, we have trading psychology. Now, trading psychology is very important because it requires people to have patience, grit, and the psychology of every trader or positional or intraday is different. And we will talk and discuss in depth about this in our last chapter of level 3. This completes your tier 1. Now, in case if there are any of you who do not know what these terms mean, please don't get bogged down or fret because we will talk about all of these things in detail starting from scratch. Let's see what tier 2 is. In tier 2, we have the first section, that's the advanced strategies one. Now, in this tier 2, I want you all to understand that we have collaborated a few strategies which will help intraday traders and working professionals. We understand that working professionals might not have the time to sit in front of your screen and check how the market is moving. So for those of them, we have introduced some of these tactics. For example, your morning 1 hour trading from 9:15 to 10:15 talks about the strategy for working professionals. Twice setup. This will include scanner, which will kind of get you all these stocks and you will have to trade on those things. This is a very important setup because the accuracy is up to 80 to 90%. Let me tell you that the TBRS setup is another strategy that we have come up with. And lastly, we have these three concepts that is for the futures and options trading. We will discuss when we move there. Moving on to advanced strategies 2. We have a couple of strategies that is for intraday and we will understand what these strategies mean. Next is a very important strategy that we have come up with that's called tea time strategy. Now, as you can see, this is also for working professionals. Evening time when you're sitting and when the market is closing, you want to see, sipping your tea, you want to know how exactly the market is going. This is exactly for you, and what we have come up with is simply amazing. We have a swing strategy, that is the STRD swing strategy, and 1 minute trading strategy. Don't these topics sound really interesting? Well, yes, they are, because you will learn exactly about a lot of things. We also give you an amazing bonus pack. Want to know more about it? Let's see. We have Equity Ka Brahmastra, and this is a tried, tested, and an amazing strategy that we have come up for. Now, this is an amazing strategy for intraday traders. Along with that, it talks about AmiBroker AFL, and with that, we have TradingView leading ST indicator. Now, that is something that we want to see next is Virod strategy. Please note that why we have named it Virod strategy. Virod means defense, right? Now, Virod strategy itself says when the market is negative, this gives 1:5 risk reward ratio and you can go positive on the market. So that's why you will learn how this strategy works. Along with that, we will tell about 25 robo trading AmiBroker AFL strategies, and we have a special software that we will be giving you. It's called the robo trading software. This is to kind of trade automatically, and it will teach you about how to trade and kind of make a setup which will help you trade automatically. Now, this was the entire tier 2 about tier 2, and I hope you have got what exactly we'll be talking about. Now, along with this, let me make sure that you will learn a lot of other things. In case of those who are looking for the explanation in Hindi, we have a very fantastic course which is also available in Hindi. The same course is also available in Hindi, so you can all go and look at it. That's all for today's introduction, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you, and I want to remind all of you that in case you have not come across our Telegram channel, please go and join our Telegram channel at the Bullier Capital. The link is described here. Make sure that you join our channel wherein you learn more about our channel, our courses, and what's coming up next for you. Stay tuned and happy trading. Goodbye.